Hey there, let's go over how to set up and send a meeting invite in Outlook easily. For that, first you have to open up your Outlook and go to the calendar section. You will see your calendar view. Select your preferred date and time from the calendar. Click on the time slot where you want to schedule the meeting, and a prompt will appear. From here, enter a title for your meeting, then ensure the date and time are correct. Set a reminder if needed. You can choose a location and description if necessary. Next, click More Options to view the meeting details in larger windows. Here you can add attendance by entering their email addresses and review all meeting details before sending the invite. If it's an in person meeting, you can also enable the drawing tool for notes. Once everything is set, click Send and your attendance will receive the invitation automatically. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.